44%. Which other thing? Because you had one job and you said, yeah, no, I charged it. I said, oh, don't say that because I'm recording the camera. So if you want to die, you just die.
What are you still recording for? No shit, it's gonna go fake.
Because it's part of our vlog, bro.
What, the whole thing, bro?
The whole thing.
No, we're gonna say good morning and introduce it.
You just did. Good morning. So they're 42, mate. Oh, yeah, sounds good, mate. Sounds healthy. All right, so this is going to be a new little series we have on the YouTube channel, which will be basically a bit of behind the scenes of what we get up to and how we get up to it. So this one's to kick off is friends of ours that are opening up a full drive shop that are looking to do automotive, electronical, 12-volt systems, diffs, suspension. So we're going to follow anything really. So we're going to follow them through the journey of what it takes to go from startup to business, and we're kicking it off this Sunday, driving out to their house to do some seals for Ant's new diffs.
You can say it, twin locks, ARB air lockers.
You've been waiting all day to say that, huh? So it'll be something a little bit different, a little bit behind the scenes. Ant will be pretty much controlling this camera, and yeah, when he's not driving, he'll be behind the camera.
Alrighty guys, we've just what are you laughing at me for? I'm trying to do a serious vlog. Oh my god, I can't even say the word. So we've just rocked up to the factory where we're going to be sussing out the lockers. Oh, there they are. Have a look at them bad boys. Oh yeah. We got Zach over here from Zero Gauge Customs on the Sea Garages. How you going?
Good, mate.
So this is the bloke that will be helping me out with my twin lock conversion. Where's the other bloke? His partner's late like usual.
Business partner.
You'll be meeting Dennis very soon. Typical Masso. So Dennis has finally rocked up. Fashionably late for a Masso, like what I said before. Got the camera ready. So what we're doing here is we're changing the actual locker seal. There's two seals in the locker that hold the air in. They didn't need to be changed. We tested the locker before we went to change the seals, but you'd rather be safe. The seals were like $6 each from ARB. So
don't tell them trade price.
or $7. Whatever it is. I think we actually got them cheaper, to be honest. I said $6 each.
I watched the video on YouTube and it was less. So why don't you give us a rundown on what's happening, Zach? So who you are, where you from?
Come on, both of you are gonna go in it.
Yeah, I'm Zach, Dennis from Zero Gauge Customs. We're just a small company trying to get into the four-wheel drive scene. We started with just wanted to do sort of 12-volt gear, and now got roped into doing some diffs. So Caroline was getting bagged out there, so he hit us up. So
Come for you, bro.
And what are you doing today for him?
So inside the diff, there's a couple of seals. So the air comes in, obviously through the top here, and comes through. You can't really see them on the camera, there's some little holes in there, and then goes down, that locks the diff, and the air gets held in from these two seals, which we've got some fresh ones here, so just a bit of preventative maintenance, so we don't have to pull the diffs out again. We're going to change them.
So this is pretty standard at Zero Gauge Customs. Dennis is the tool bitch over there. Oh, he jumps in when he fucks up here again. He's Mr. Problem Solver. Well, you got poor Zach over here actually doing the work. You're learning something, Dennis? Am I annoying you being this close?
Not really. Get closer.
What about you, Zach?
You're right. I don't know where the hell he found you.
This is like POV XNXX. Like, that's how close I am at the moment. Are you scared right now, Barra? Because I would be.
We went and pulled out Sandy yesterday.
Yeah, I saw that.
I messaged you on Lucky, only did it because you wanted more Instagram followers.
Good old Sandy79 got stuck in his Land Cruiser on a job site. That sums up. That sums up.
I would go there only just for the stripes, mate. That's it.
That sums up Land Cruisers. I just can't wait to hear that.
Go, come on, superstar.
Hey, we're trying to scratch your internals, yeah? Bro, you're fucking stressing me.
You're an annoying customer.
Can Zach do it?
Open up your box.
What's in your box?
What's in your box?
What was that show called?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
In the box. Bob and all his friends. Look in here. What are you saying? That's all in the box today.
What about good old Callio?
Be professional, Anth. This is your time to shine.
So,
It's not going to be there when we...
I'd like to thank ARB for not giving me trade price. So we got the looms. They're all marked up and all that. Not that matters to me, but so there's the looms there. Oh yeah, look at these bad boys. There's a switch. That's what I wanted to see. We've got to see. Hey, where's the front and rear switch? There's only one switch there.
It'd be compressor on one.
Yeah, that's it. So all the internet trolls are gonna be like, why didn't you get a twin compressor or whatever it is, whatever you want? It's got the single one because I just want this compressor to solely run the lockers, and that's it.
You look really professional on camera. Come have a look at the footage, Anth. Look at this, mate. Have a look at your ugly head. Look at you.
Camera works a bit average. Could have gone higher a bit.
Take your GoPro and go blog somewhere else, mate. No, the lighting's perfect. Now what I'll get you to do is, we'll lay that out neatly and we'll record that. We'll put it over there.
Yes.
All right, just get you start working, Anth.
And
Standard.
people that think I don't do nothing in the background is actually not true. I do more work.
I promise.
Don't say that to the boys I actually work with as well. How's that for you, Frankie?
Nah.
All right, so I had a little issue with the GoPro battery.
Thanks, Danielle.
Yeah, thanks, Danielle. So
make sure I make that in the video.
no, you don't, because I'll be in big trouble. If anyone doesn't know, Danielle is my queen, my lovely wife.
Oh, I haven't listened to him.
Anyway, back to the four-wheel drive stuff, guys. So we're just about to test the locker out. The 2 seals are in. Frankie's ready with the gimbal. Zach's assisting Dennis because Dennis is learning. So we got the solenoid ready. The boys are all putting it all together, ready to give it a hit. So when's the hoodie's going to be available for everybody?
Soon.
Soon? How soon? Let's turn around for a second.
I think
Show
we'll
us
be
the
able to get
chest.
him to do it. If you don't find anyone in the meantime, you can find
I've
someone
got-
else, by all
These
means.
aren't
Hey.
the proper ones, they're just a quick one. They're, not
They're just a
finished.
quick one, apparently. Hey, if you guys want any merch of these guys, we'll put a link together or something like that when they get their hoodies going, which will
Hopefully
happen
by the time
soon.
the video's up, the hoodies will be fucking quick.
Oh no, video might be up pretty quickly. We got to speak to that guy over there. I don't know where my finger is on the screen, but it's that guy there.
Alright, Anth, you're in the shop, bro.
Oh, am I? Sorry, man.
You're off playing games with your GoPro.
Zach's got an Allen key set. And the Allen key's missing that we need. So Frankie might be to the rescue. Oh, it looks like a 5mm.
Is it it?
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. He's not just the cameraman.
Here's your toolbox.
I've done this twice now. Who else did I save with an Allen key?
Old mate Alan.
Haha.
Talk about being daddy. If everyone doesn't know, we'd like to congratulate Frankie. As you can see, how's the eyes going, mate? Still sleeping or?
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
He's been good so far.
Came up on a Sunday to help you.
That's dedication. To help me.
Yeah, to help you. You called me when I was at the hospital. Hey man, can you come help me film? We'll help, you know. The boys are gonna look after me. Yeah? You gonna tell them the story, the real story?
Nah, we can't tell him everything.
This is behind the scenes. Anth called me after my kid was born. Not even an hour, mate. He was already in my
It was more than an
He's so
hour.
excited. Oh, I don't, you know. I said, yeah, we'll film it. And then we're on a Sunday,
I
Anth.
get a message. What ratio are they? I'm typing it. He just sent it. Phone call right away. He can't wait. He's too excited. Isn't that right, Ant?
Yeah, I was pretty
Let's look at
excited.
your face reaction.
If people don't know me well either, I hate texting.
He'll call you straight away.
All these boys can probably vouch for that. How many times did I call you yesterday, Zach?
Lucky I was working in the morning. Can't call me like 7 o'clock in the morning.
Nah, I saw you were awake.
I checked it on Facebook first, bro.
He was active online. So if anyone knows me or got my number, turn your activation or active thing off on Facebook because I will call you if
He'll
you're
harass you.
active.
He'll harass you until he gets his answer.
Nah, man.
Sorry, Director Anth. There you go.
It's happening.
Going down.
All right, moment of truth.
How do you feel, Anth? How do you feel? How do you feel?
Fucking slapped me. I think I'm in a dream. He actually slapped me. Hey, can I have a look? I'm gonna see how it works. All right, once I'll go closer.
That's why at the ARB stand they have the two
Yeah.
that you can hold.
Can you flick it on so I can hear it at least?
Why are you putting your head like that,
What's poking me, Anth?
Go locker. Is that lock?
That's off.
Oh, you don't hear a click.
No, you will. Wait.
Oh, you go.
Wait.
Turn it inside. Is that locker on? Oh yeah. Now locker off. Yeah, turn the locker off.
The locker's off.
Oh, go locker on.
bro? Hear a click?
Yeah, I heard it.
I can't wait to see you fry a set now.
I'm not trying to set, bro.
That's part of the
No, I
package.
don't, bro. I'm not doing no
I'm gonna
burnout.
buy chains and we're gonna chain this thing up and 4-wheel drive burnout.
Yeah.
No, because see this? Anthony Caruana, not Manny Burton. Alright?
Yeah.
And then all the kids on their iPads in another continent, I can't say what continent, like watching his burnout videos. Nah, thanks to the boys at Zero Gauge Customs for this. So
Even on Sundays.
literally true, even on Sundays. So if anyone's wondering, this is not their actual workshop either. Can you explain what's happening with the workshop?
Something in the pipeline, but it's just not up yet.
Yeah. But should be very soon, but you guys are taking on work, aren't you?
Yeah, 100%.
Not far off.
Make do what we've got for the minute.
We have 13% left because Ant said he charged the batteries, but he didn't. Alright, so that's probably the first vlog that's done. We went out, saw Zero Gauge Customs, do a bit of work on Amp's car, getting it ready. We'll be with them next week Saturday. Yeah,
Next week Saturday all day, getting him fitted. Hopefully it takes one day.
So we'll compile some footage and get it all together and then get it all up and then take it from there. I'm interested to know everyone's thoughts on our vlog style. Till Saturday, see you then.